here to eat. I always like to have something sweet and warm in winter. This Szechuan dessert I'm making today fits all the criteria. It's my self-made sticky rice cake in a warm brown sugar sauce. To make 5 portions of our soft rice cake, we will need 175 grams of sticky rice flour, diluted with 125 grams of cold water, adding 25 grams of cast sugar and 25 grams of lard. I made the lard myself, the recipe is on the card above. Mix all ingredients with our hands roughly and knead it further into a smooth dough. Separate it into 15 equal parts, about 23 grams each. Roll each of them in our palm to a round ball shape and press it flat gently. Repeat this process until we finish all 15 pieces. Don't worry too much if they are breaking on the edges. Most of them will fix themselves while cooking. Take a medium-sized pot, pour in about 1 liter of water. Turn the stove to high heat until it starts boiling. Then switch the heat to medium-low. Drop in our self-made sticky rice cakes one by one. While cooking, we can use a spatula to stir them around gently to prevent them from sticking. Once they are floating on the surface, it means they are almost cooked through. Then add in 125 grams of Chinese brown sugar all at once. Turn the heat to low and cook it until all our rice cakes to a light brown color and the sugar sauce becomes slightly sticky. The longer you cook, the darker and softer they get. We can then take them out and sprinkle a few white sesame seeds on top. The rice cakes are soft and glossy, the brown sugar sauce is sweet and slightly sticky with a unique fragrance. Did you subscribe yet? If not, click here, click here, click here. Every day watch new videos at 6 p.m. Here are my 2 recommended videos. Thanks for watching. See ya. 谢谢大家。